This will be the first video in a new series of how-to videos. In this particular video, what we're going to be doing is I'll be showing you how to switch out your original bulbs. The reason I'm switching this one out is because it broke. And also I am upgrading. Let's see if I can grab this. I don't want to touch the bulb because I don't want it to burn out. We're upgrading to LED bulbs. What I'll do is I'll put the link in the description below of the bulbs I'm using. These are amber turn signals. So what you're going to need for this is a pair of gloves. I like to wear them because I don't like to get dirty. Obviously you'll be removing your old turn signal, replacing it with your new turn signal, a Phillips head screwdriver, and yourself. That's it. It's really simple. Okay, let's get to it. Okay guys, I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet as possible. It's pretty simple. First, take your Phillips head screwdriver. You want to unscrew these two screws, one on the right here, and then the other one on the left. And you'll see the plate will come off, the whole unit will come out. Okay, like that. Then there is an electrical tab here. You need to press this in order to pull out the electrical connection, so I just like to use my screwdriver and just push that in there, and then this just pops out. Super simple, really easy. And then to get the bulb out, like I say, if you're going to replace it with a regular halogen, use a pair of gloves or a towel or something like that. You just reach in there, twist it a quarter turn counterclockwise, and it just comes out. But for us to install our new LED bulb, what we can do is we can take the connection out of the back. This is also just a quarter turn clockwise. Like this, it comes free. Place our bulb in. Like that. Reconnect. I like to give everything a little blow just to make sure it's dirt free. Plug back in. Take our new turn signal. And then it has these little 4 tabs. They line up inside here. So they all have to match up or it will not fit. And you can put everything back together. Grab your screwdriver again. Screw everything back together. There you go guys, nice fresh looking LED. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe for more how to and fun videos coming your way.